Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a editing video. I've never done this, but you guys went crazy on Twitter for my before and after that I posted on Twitter. So let's go ahead and open up Adobe Photoshop, and what I personally use was the clone tool. So as a shortcut on your keyboard, press the letter S, and that's gonna get the clone tool, or you can always just press it on the side. So to actually clone, we're taking the Alt key and we're gonna press an area. So to make the brush like a little bit bigger or smaller, you're going to use your bracket signs. So as you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and start doing that. You're going to see in just a second there's an area where there's shadows, and you want to make sure you don't add any extra shadows that aren't there. So I'm trying to do my best to match the dirt to be all the same color. Using the tool, the clone tool, isn't always going to be the best option, but it is an easier option. Just sometimes it's not going to be as perfect. So I'm not going to lie, this was my first time actually using the clone tool, so I'm happy with the result that came out with this picture, and I'm going to try and use it more and just try to do more editing of this. If you guys really like this, let me know in the comments down below, and also if you really like the preset, let me know as well too. I'm debating if I want to have it for sale or not. I'm just gonna speed this up a little bit. I'm a little sad because I didn't screen record the first photo I edited that I actually posted, so when I came back to do this one, it took me so much longer than before, and I was like, how did I do that again? So it was just like, it was a process. You're wondering why these people are like curved or look elongated. It's because my friend Mark used his iPhone, which is the newest one that has the 3 cameras, and he used it at the magnification of 0.5. Honestly, thank you guys so much for the love and support, especially on Twitter. I really didn't think my tweet was gonna blow up. I just was so proud of myself for actually doing this. If you like these videos, subscribe and let me know in the comments down below, as well as give this video a big thumbs up. So now we're going into Lightroom, and we're going to be using my preset called Jcakes. And I'm going to show you right here that if you see one of the rocks that was yellow, we're going to just add some saturation just to kind of boost it up. That way, if you wanted to have some more colors, you can. Just know that the preset automatically doesn't really have too much of that yellow in it. So I will also be putting a side-by-side of a before and after for you guys. Right about here. So the presets I've made are going to be for mobile. I'm just on Lightroom to show you guys the preset. So as you can see, this is the original one. I'm just messing around with the exposure. I did make a couple more, so in case you have some underexposed or overexposed photos, that you won't have to make too many adjustments. But of course, if you want to make them, you're more than welcome to. That's why I made these presets for you guys. But of course, some photos may not work for it or may not be the best looking. Just know that it's to whatever you want. Of course, you can always make the adjustments. These are just like the base for you. So meet my lovely friends, Iris and Jenny. These are photos that I did take of them. 2 of them are a little bit edited already, so we're going to add the Jcakes preset on there. So there is a total of 5. Again, this one is like for underexposed, another underexposed, and then Jcakes 3 is actually the original that I was always using, but I decided to adjust a little bit so that way when you are editing photos, you don't have to make too many adjustments yourself. If you want to make even more adjustments to the preset, when you have them, you're more than welcome to. Again, some of these presets don't have certain colors in them, so as you can see from the original to the after. Like this photo right here was not edited at all until I started putting the presets on there. So JCakes number 5, that preset, that one has less orange. So if you don't like too much orange, that's a really great one to use. So this concludes my before and after using Lightroom and Adobe to make the people disappear, but also adding my preset from Lightroom. I hope you guys enjoy this so much. Please don't forget to subscribe as well, comment down below, and give this video a big thumbs up. Otherwise, I will see you on my next video. Love you guys!